So your needs have changed. Either you have outgrown your house or you want to move into other space which is meeting your requirements better. How do you go about it? Before you sell your house or you first buy your house and then sell it? Wondering, right? This video answers just that. Hi, this is Neelam Singh with Remax Alliance. Once you have decided that you want to make that new purchase, the most convenient way is to first purchase the new home and then go about selling your existing one. However, this process is easier said than done. While average homeowner in our area has at least 200k and more equity locked in their existing home, accessing that equity before making that sale when you are not having a good saving is not as easy. Accessing that equity can be a little tricky without selling your current home. When we are in the balanced market, sale contingency allows you to actually go about purchasing a home conditionally that you will be able to complete that purchase when your existing home sale is completed. However, for so many years, we have not been in that kind of balanced market. We are still very much in seller-centric market and inventory is low, which means the sale contingency cannot really come to your rescue. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 ways you can navigate to access the equity, and you can pick and choose what is working best for your specific scenario. Number 1, use home equity line of sale, commonly called HELOC. Home line of equity or HELOC is second mortgage that allows you to borrow cash based on the value of your home. In other words, it allows you to use the equity without selling your existing home. While lenders vary on how much they will let you borrow, the industry standard is approximately 85% of your home appreciation. If you want to choose this as an option, you might want to act fast. Getting approved for a standard HELOC generally takes longer than a traditional mortgage approval. So you should have the HELOC approval in place before you apply for the pre-approval for your new home purchase. Once you have moved into your new home, you can put your old one up for sale, and from the profit, you can easily pay off the HELOC balance. Second option, use a bridge loan. A bridge loan is a short-term loan that uses your equity as a collateral. Once you have new home to buy, you can reach out to your lender and can apply up to 80% of the combined value of both the properties. This type of loan often takes less time than HELOC, but there's a catch. They tend to have higher interest rate and is great for someone with excellent credit score and high equity. To make this option really effective for you, you need to work with your realtor and move quickly to sell your old home so you are not incurring unnecessary interest rates and avoid those extra costs. That being said, bridge loan still remains one of the favored options for the homeowners who qualify. Third option is use third-party buying service. If you have ever heard of companies like HomeLight or Knock, they provide this kind of service. Simply put, these companies, they approve you of certain amount based on your home equity and its value. Then they will purchase your new home all cash using the approved funds. Now you can move into your new home and you have the time to sell your old one at your pace. And then you can purchase back your new home from this company using the profit that you made from selling your old home. The biggest ability you have using such services is you can make an all cash offer for new home, and is really great option if you are in very competitive market. However, this service is not free. The interest and their service charges are the factors that you need to keep in mind before going down this route. Ultimately, whatever option works best for you really will depend on your specific situation and reach out to me so I'll be able to help you best way possible, factoring in your individual scenario. If any one of you has used either of these options, comment below. I would love to hear your experience.